Mixed numerals and improper fractions. So the fraction 11 over 4 can be written as 2 3/4. And the reason why is because we can show that there are this fraction 11 1/4, so we have 11 pieces that are 1/4 big. From those pieces, we can fill out two whole pieces, or two whole circles in this case, and that's going to give us 8 out of the 11, and that leaves us with 3 left over, and that gives us the fraction piece, 3/4 as a fraction. So we're going to split this up into whole pieces and the leftover pieces. So that's going to be kind of our strategy when we draw this out. So 17 over 8, we can draw this as, we can figure out how many 1/8 pieces make up that 17. So I'm just going to draw my 1/8 pieces in like this. So I'm going to draw two holes using 1/8 pieces. And I can start counting this up. So for example, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to have another 8 here that's making 16. And what that means then is this is equivalent to two whole parts, and I'm going to have one left over, okay, to make my 17. And that's going to be my fraction part of this. So then I have this one piece here, and that represents my leftover piece. So this becomes 2 1/8. Okay, so I have two holes plus 1/8, and that there's always this plus that's kind of implied. We don't actually write that in, but that plus is implied when we have a mixed number. 19 over 9, I'm going to just maybe divide this into thirds like this. And then the thirds I can split into 3 equal parts, kind of like that. It's maybe not equal, but that's about as good as I can get. Okay, so I have my ninths here. I'm going to draw ninths in here. So if I count this up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, two groups of 9 is going to be 18. So I have 18 that make up the two holes, and then I have one left over, and that's going to give me the 1/9. So I'm going to have 1/9 left over. So this becomes two holes plus 1 over 9. In this example here, we're going to figure out how many 1/6 pieces fit into here. So we can draw in 1/6 pieces. I'm going to have 6 in here. Well, for 15, I can have 6 and 6. That's going to make my 12. So I end up with two holes. So, and then I have 3 1/6 pieces left over. Okay, so this is going to give me my 16th. My 15 out of 16 pieces. So then I'm going to have my 3 left over. So I'm going to end up with 2 whole pieces plus 3 1/6 pieces left over. Now this can be simplified into 2 wholes plus 1/2.